Hi guys, today we're running through the SteamVac VapourTech Upholstery tool. This received an industry award at its release and has been one of the best sellers within the SteamVac range. This particular version is the head-only tool, so basically you attach your current existing hose assembly to the unit directly from your portable or truck mount, the vac port, and obviously the solution coupler. The great thing about this tool is its streamline design. Basically, the way that they've engineered the product, it's very streamlined. Its airflow is incredible. There are no right angles within the unit, so therefore it works extremely well. Another feature is the internal jet, so you don't have running the risk of any overspray from the tool. The jet is inside its own port, and then there's a separate vac chamber. Basically, you can use this tool in a forwards and backwards motion. Like I said, this is the head-only version. There are two other configurations which you can opt to go for. Instead of the head-only tool, we also do a internal hose setup, whereby you can get the tool in a 3 meter length or a 7.5 meter length. Basically, we can custom this tool, for example, for the automotive detailing industry. We can make them up to 15 meters long. It's really just what you guys are needing. So like I said, this is the internal system. So it's got the nylon solution tube running through the guts of the vac hose, and with a swivel cuff, makes it very user friendly. You're not having any cumbersome hoses running on the outside that you would on the head-only tool. Horses for courses and budgets obviously would decide which way you would want to go. It depends what sort of work you'd want to be doing with the tool. Like I said, we've got an internal jet, so no overspray, with a separate vac chamber. And to give you an idea of ease of maintenance, if you need to get in there and clean it out, there's 4 screws that hold this interchangeable plate on, and away it comes, and you can get in there and clean it out. So another thing to note with the VapourTech upholstery tool is the material that it's actually constructed from. It's a rotary molded polymer, a very strong material, and very long lifetime. You'll notice that on the VapourTech, as opposed to some of the other plastic products on the market, it's a complete unit. And one of the advantages is basically when the lint or debris is passing through the vacuum chamber, in a lot of the other two-piece tools, the way that it's designed is there are lots of screw points and nooks and crannies for a lot of that debris to get caught up on. The beauty of the VapourTech upholstery tool, again with its streamlined design internally, there's a lot less opportunity or places or points that any of that debris can actually get caught up on. The screws which hold the plate on are not interfering with the vacuum chamber. They're in a separate part of the tool, so you're not going to get any debris caught up on the backing of any of those screws, and there aren't any of those locking down points, like I said, with a lot of the twin piece tools for that debris to get caught up on. So it means that maintenance and cleaning the tool out is a much easier job, and there's far less chance for anything to get caught up in there to begin with. So basically, it's a pretty awesome design, and a lot of thought has been put into it. Another good thing about the tool is, as opposed to a lot of stainless steel head tools, the contact point on the fibre is basically all on this stainless plate. So over time, and it takes quite a while, but over time this plate would start to wear down, and when the time comes you can basically just buy that piece as a spare part instead of having to throw away the whole tool. A lot of the stainless steel heads are all a complete unit, and once it starts to wear out or break down, it's a throwaway item and you're up for a new tool. So like I said, a very ergonomical and easy to use product. Its airflow is quite amazing, and it's a big seller for Steenback over the last 30 years. We're going to go ahead now and give you a little demonstration of how it works and what sort of results you can expect. So in this case we're using the head-only version of the tool to demonstrate for you today. We've applied some Sonitron SK50 on this sample of carpet and allowed it to dwell for about 5 minutes, and we'll just show you what this thing can do.